In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Godaddy domain on Wix. This process might seem daunting, especially if you're not familiar with web hosting or domain management, but I promise it's more straightforward than you might think. By following these steps, you'll be able to connect your domain in no time, giving your Wix website a professional look. First, you need to ensure you've purchased a domain from Godaddy and have a Wix account set up with the plan that includes the ability to connect a domain. Let's head over to Godaddy and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu with your domains. Click on My Products to view all domains associated with your account. Find the domain you'd like to connect to your Wix site and click on Manage next to it. This will take you to the Domain Settings page. Here, you'll need to make sure your domain is unlocked, as locked domains can't be transferred or connected to external websites. Look for a section labeled Domain Lock or something similar. If you see that it's locked, just click to unlock it. Keep in mind that unlocking a domain can take a few minutes, so be patient. Now, it's time to change your name servers so this domain points to your Wix website. Look for the DNS settings or Manage DNS option in the Godaddy dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Name Servers. Here, you'll want to select the option to Enter My Own Name Servers. Enter the name server information provided by Wix, which will typically be similar to ns1.wixdns.net and ns2.wixdns.net. If you're unsure where to find these, check Wix's support documentation for the exact details. This minor change tells Godaddy to route anyone visiting your domain directly to your Wix site. It's a critical step, so double-check the entries before saving. Switching back to Wix, log into your account, and navigate to the My Domains section, located in your site's dashboard. You'll find an option to connect a domain you already own. Click on that to begin the process. Follow the prompts and choose that you're connecting a domain purchased elsewhere. Enter your Godaddy domain name, and Wix will guide you through confirming your connection. It's a smart idea to ensure both Wix and Godaddy are in sync at this stage, so check for a verification prompt or message. After your changes have been saved, it might take some time for everything to propagate across the internet, generally ranging from a few hours to 48 hours. During this time, your website may show as in progress or similar. While it updates, avoid making additional changes to the DNS settings to ensure a smooth connection. Once propagation is complete, your Godaddy domain will be live on your Wix site, showcasing your content seamlessly to the world. And there you have it. Your Godaddy domain is now connected to your Wix site. Hopefully, this walkthrough made the process clear and manageable. Keep exploring your site settings to get the most out of your Wix experience, and feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime if you need to make adjustments or connect more domains.